In this slide number 1, we will talk about the notification overview. This recruitment is conducted by the Union Public Service Commission under advertisement number 06/2025. Applications are invited through online mode only. Interested candidates must apply via the official website, which is https://upsconline.gov.in/aura. No other application method is accepted. In this slide number 2, we will talk about the total number of vacancies. There are several posts announced under this notification. These include 2 vacancies for the post of Legal Officer Grade 1, 121 vacancies for Operations Officer, and 12 for Scientific Officer in the Chemical discipline. Additionally, there is 1 post for Scientist B in Mechanical and multiple posts for Associate Professors and other designations across various ministries. Overall, more than 100 vacancies are open for recruitment. In this slide number 3, we will talk about the application fee. Candidates from General, OBC, and EWS categories must pay an application fee of 25 rupees. However, candidates from SC, ST, PWBD categories, and all women candidates are exempted from paying any fee. The payment can be made by cash at SBI branches or through online modes like net banking, Visa, MasterCard, or RuPay cards. In this slide number 4, we will talk about important dates. The last date to submit the online application form is the 13th of June, 2025. Applicants can print their submitted forms until the 14th of June, 2025. It is important to note that applications will be accepted only through the online portal of UPSC. In this slide number 5, we will talk about the age limit. The maximum age limit differs for each post. For the Legal Officer post, the upper age is 50 years. For Operations Officer, it is 35 years for General category, 40 years for SC, ST, and up to 45 years for PWBD candidates. For Scientific Officer positions, the age limit is 30 years. Relaxation in age is applicable as per government norms. In this slide number 6, we will talk about the required qualifications. For the Legal Officer post, a master's degree in law with specialization in international law or similar fields is mandatory. For the Operations Officer post, a degree in engineering or science along with specific aviation-related experience is required. Scientific Officer applicants must have a master's degree in chemistry, microbiology, or chemical engineering. Relevant work experience ranging from 1 year to 10 years is required depending on the post.